Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I have this Ace 4 lever padlock. Bidding on the key. This is one of the ones that I got from Peter Lewis. Peter, thank you again. I took a solid brass, like cheap sort of skeleton key and drilled out and then carved out a section for the post. This is just about too long for me to do this in hand, but we'll give it a shot. I've gotten it open a couple times now and really excited about it. I still struggle to index the levers. And every now and again I'll get a little bit of movement and eventually it'll just pop open. So I know this is a really bad angle, but it's difficult for me to... Yeah, I'm no Brummy or Capoon or Mylock. There was a good one. I got some movement there. And there's the last one. Sweet. Yeah, really cool. And I'm able to lock it back up because it does throw the bolt completely. Anyway, Peter Lewis, thank you again so much for sending this to me. Everyone else, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe to see more, and have a great day. Thank you.